Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath SamFX YouTube channel, and this is the OnePlus Nord CE port for Redmi Note 7 Pro, as you can see, and the fingerprint unlock. Let me show you. And there's the OnePlus Nord CE version, and I'm in the ported ROM. There's the Oxygen OS 11.0.3.3, the beta version I guess, but it's a ported ROM and with Android 11 ROM, and you get this Note 7 Pro specifications here. There's a pure Oxygen OS, not a ColorOS mix. That's how the settings panel you get, and this is the home screen, and this is the quick settings. Sorry, this like you get like this, and let me adjust the brightness. Okay, this is the home screen you get, as you can see, and this is what the app vault type, and you get these power options. Let me, as you can see, this is the look you get after unlocking your smartphone. And coming to wallpapers, you get plenty of wallpapers like this. For example, if I choose here, as you can see, like this the wallpaper is. Let me unlock once again. If I unlock like this, the effect is like this. It is given, and this is the quick settings panel. You can edit from here. As you can see, these are the settings you get in the quick settings panel, and this is the quick settings panel. And coming to settings, you get the pure Oxygen OS 11 type, not a ColorOS mix here. That is very good. And Wi-Fi and network settings, you get all the private DNS, everything, and Bluetooth caching, everything is working fine, no problem in this ROM. And in the display settings, you get all this kind of settings. For example, let me show you adaptive brightness and brightness slider, sleep, advanced vision, comfort is also given. If you want, you can enable it out. Ambient display turned off, and display size status bar you can choose here. I mean the battery style you can choose from here. Those settings are given in this ROM. And coming to like customization, you get wallpapers, clock and ambient display, and origin light support, and accent color picker you can pick like this. And system icons also you can choose between this kind of options are given. Icon pack also given, Hydrogen OS or Oxygen OS. You can choose between those two, and even the font also you can change here. Only two are given, but anyhow it's given. And sound and vibration, all the settings are given. Dolby Atmos is missing since it's ported from OnePlus Nord CE. It doesn't have Dolby Atmos, hence this one also doesn't have the same. And touch and vibration feedback was given. Those things are given in this ROM. As you can see, this is the touch vibration feedback. You can enable or disable, and this is the volume panel you get. Here you can choose the media output. Currently it's phone speaker. And coming to like many people asking this also, like dialer settings, let me show you. As you can see, direct video call facility is available in this ROM. You can use it as like this, and even the call recording also option also available. As you can see, record call, it will be saying the other person that call recording is enabled. But anyhow, the option is given, which was not there in the previous ROMs. And coming to like speed test, I have here like 100 Mbps plan. It's pulling up to 100. It's nice, really good. And if I go to mobile internet, let me show you. It depends upon network coverage area also. As you can see, I am getting currently 4G plus here, but speeds are also not that okay. It's good. See, I also don't know when the speeds are going to be good or not going to good, but anyhow, that's what depends upon network. As you can see, now the network is low. It's getting low speeds. That's how internet speeds depends upon this ROM or any other ROM. And coming to buttons and gestures, you get alert slider, but anyway we don't have any alert slider here. Navigation bar and gestures, and this the quick settings. Gestures you can use flip to mute, 3 finger screenshot, raise to answer, so double tap to wake, music control. You can draw these settings, you'll get those. Gesture support is available, and navigation bar and gestures are also given. You can choose between navigation gestures and back home reasons, or this navigation gestures like this. If you go here, you can come back to previous settings. That is working fine, no problem in this ROM. And coming to apps and notifications, you get this Android 11 style. You can app permissions you can disable from here, and you can special app access also you can choose here. As you can see, those things are given. And coming to like security and lock screen settings, you get screen lock, fingerprint and face lock, even smart lock. Everything is working fine, no problem in this ROM. You can definitely try it as a daily driver, it's good. And coming to battery life also, as you can see, I charged a little bit yesterday and even today I am using it. The initial impressions is really good, it's good actually. Even the battery optimization also given, it's really good comparing its Oxygen OS OnePlus Nord CE port. It's really good. The porting is done very good this time, since we don't have a lot of bugs, but here and there it will be there since it's a ported ROM, but it's stable. These days the ported ROMs are becoming very good compared to the stable ROMs. What do you guys tell on that statement? Do comment down below. And if you are first time to this channel, hit down the subscribe down below and also allow the notifications. And also if you like the video, give it a like and share among the Note 7 Pro users. And coming to utilities, you get all this kind of settings like parallel apps are also given, app locker is also given. You can choose here, and even scheduled power on off and quick replay in landscape mode. Those functions are given in this ROM. And that is what is given. In the system you get language and input, you can choose the keyboard and theme and all these things, OTG storage and experiments, improvement programs like this. Those things are given in this ROM. And this the home screen and swapping between the apps, and in the home screen everything is working fine. Here you get wallpapers, widgets and home settings. If I go into the home settings, you get all these settings. Double tap to wake, let me show this gestures. Double tap to double tap to wake and double tap to lock screen are working fine in this ROM. And 3 finger screenshot is also working here, as you can see. And CPU throttling test also I made. Coming to, let me show, CPU throttling test is also done. Let me show this Geekbench 5 scores first. As you can see, there's a single score 483 and multi score 1447. And guys, if you want to see all the Note 7 Pro custom ROMs, check out my playlist of Note 7 Pro. There I have made plenty of Note 7 Pro custom ROMs, daily updates, everything I have covered. Do check out if you want to see. I made really very good videos previously with gameplay included also. Here the scores is like this, it's good. And coming to CPU throttling test, I will show you within a minute. And safety net status, it's get passed by default, no need to root or anything like that for that case. But if you want to root, you can root it out, it's available. And I am using this Gcam port, Nikita Gcam, recent update of Nikita Gcam. Everything is working fine in this Gcam, as you can see, based on 8.1.10 on version 1.1 from Nikita Gcam. It's really good. This ROM is really good. Let me go into this gallery, and as you can see, after performing like around 15 minutes, the average performance is 128. And if you see here, the throttling is really minimum. It's really good on this ROM. Even I played games on this ROM, it's really good. As you can see, this the charging animation you get once the charger plugged here, and charging speeds are also normal of that 10-watt charger, and you will get this kind of notification. I mean the setting like that, and this is how the ROM performing here. It's really good. You can use the payment apps also. It's also really working fine in this ROM. That's all guys in this video. If you like the video, give it a like. Don't forget to like the video and share among notes and improvisers, as that I will be identified for many people. Thank you for watching, and if you really like the video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I will be making similar kind of videos on this channel, not just that, all the unboxings and some of the reviews and even the updates on Poco X2 and X3 devices, and many more things are also coming in this channel. Do subscribe it and support me, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until that, bye bye. See you again with another new video.